Can turmeric treat acne? Is it a myth? Is it effective? Coming next. In this video, we'll cover the science behind turmeric, whether it can help treat acne, 4 different ways to use it, potential side effects, as well as 10 little-known turmeric facts. So, let's get in.
Turmeric is a flowering plant related to ginger. It contains curcuminoid, a compound that seems to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidant properties. The root of the turmeric plant is dried and powdered to give the bright golden yellow to orange color. It's widely used in Indian cuisine, and you can find it in the spice or supplement aisles of your local grocery store. Turmeric has been used for centuries to treat a vast array of health problems. Whether consumed or applied topically, turmeric is known to help improve the overall health of our skin and our body in multiple ways. Some research suggests curcumin kills acne-causing bacteria. In addition, studies have shown that curcumin not only kills P. acnes but does so even better than the acne drug azelaic acid. The study was done in vitro, which means in a test tube in a lab, and also tested on pig skin rather than human. And simply because it works in a lab doesn't mean it will work for humans. Probably the most well-known benefit of turmeric is its anti-inflammatory quality. Inflammation is the body's immune system's response to an irritant. There's some indication that turmeric may help reduce the inflammation of acne, either when taken orally or used topically. For example, 2017 research suggests that curcumin can help in the management of oxidative and inflammatory conditions. However, no large clinical trials have been done yet, so we really don't know for sure what effect turmeric has on the inflammation of acne. Hyperpigmentation has been one focus of topical turmeric studies. If you have patches of skin that are darker than the normal surrounding tissue, this is hyperpigmentation. One such study found that a turmeric-based cream reduced hyperpigmentation by more than 14% over the course of 4 weeks. There's nothing to suggest that turmeric has any effect on pitted or depressed acne scars. Still, there is enough to keep researchers looking into this herbal remedy. Although turmeric and its constituent curcumin has shown some promise, as of yet it hasn't been conclusively proven to have an effect on this dermatological issue. How to use turmeric. After hearing the benefits, you may decide to add turmeric to your acne treatment routine. In general, turmeric is a very safe herbal remedy. Here are your options. The easiest, and without a doubt most delicious way to get your dose of turmeric is to add it to your diet. Add it to curries, soups and stews, rice, or steamed vegetables. It's a versatile spice that you can do a lot with. Turmeric also has something of a sweet taste, and it is quite earthy. It is one of the trendiest spices out there at the moment. Another way to up your turmeric intake is to drink it in tea. Many pre-packaged teas that contain turmeric are available, or you can simply make your own with the dried or fresh root, or even powder. However, when using fresh turmeric you'll get the most benefit. Simply slice the turmeric into thin rounds. Combine the turmeric and water in a saucepan and gently simmer the mixture for 5 minutes before straining. Enjoy warm or cold. Turmeric supplements are another option. Ingesting turmeric orally, 400 to 600 milligrams per day, can help with deep cystic acne. Make sure you buy a turmeric supplement that contains at least 95% standardized extract. This will ensure you get the best possible results. Be sure to follow the directions on the package. Although they're generally recognized as safe, large doses of turmeric can cause an upset stomach. The key to making a turmeric face mask is to combine turmeric powder or extract with a thickening agent to make a paste. Leave the mask on for about 10 minutes at a time. Rinse thoroughly with warm water and follow up with desired toner, serum, and moisturizer. The turmeric face masks are not magic bullets that will work with a single application. You have to use them regularly for a few months to see noticeable improvement. Turmeric risks and side effects. Although turmeric is safe to consume orally, excessive consumption for extended periods can cause gastrointestinal issues like diarrhea, headaches, rashes, and yellow stool. When considered for topical use, curcumin in turmeric is an allergen and can cause contact dermatitis with symptoms like dry and itchy skin, blisters, burning, and stinging. It is recommended to always do a patch test on your forearm to check for any allergic reactions 24 hours prior to use. When applied to the skin, turmeric tends to leave a yellow stain or residue behind, which is normal and nothing to worry about. In conclusion, whether or not you decide to use turmeric, your best option for clear skin is to use a proven acne medication. You'll get better and more consistent results with these treatments than an herbal remedy. If you need help with treatment, make an appointment with a dermatologist. Many acne treatment options are available that will work for you.
10 little known turmeric facts. Due to the caffeic acid it contains, turmeric also serves perfectly as a coffee substitute. Due to its color, turmeric was used as a less expensive alternative to saffron, which gave the name Indian saffron. Turmeric is often used as a coloring agent under the designation E100. E100 is a food additive approved by the European Union. More than 7,000 studies around the world prove the various healing effects of turmeric. In Asian medicine, turmeric has been used as a remedy for over 5,000 years, and it's even used in marriage ceremonies. Turmeric grows to approximately 1 meter in height. It is gathered for the tuberous rhizomes, or underground stems. Due to its high antioxidant content, turmeric protects against the damaging effects of free radicals. Turmeric brightens the skin, reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Mix with yogurt and apply to your skin. Turmeric can be applied on wounds, burns, and minor cuts. The antibacterial properties help prevent the spread of infection. In the Western world, turmeric was first embraced for fabric dyeing qualities rather than its health benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Please click like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content.